If you are a freelancer, consultant, or aspiring digital entrepreneur, then you already understand that acquiring clients is not merely a skill, it is a full-time job. Cold emailing feels robotic. Job boards are flooded with competition. And personal outreach often feels awkward or ignored. Now imagine for a moment that instead of chasing clients, the process becomes streamlined, automated, even, and you are focusing only on closing deals. That is precisely what I achieved by integrating a series of free AI tools that helped me land 3 paying clients in just 7 days. In this video, I will break down the exact system, toolset, and approach step by step so you can replicate it for your own services. The first cornerstone of this strategy is personalization, and that is where ChatGPT excels. I began by feeding it a structured prompt that included my core freelance offering, a brief portfolio summary, and the target audience I wished to attract. With this, ChatGPT generated tailored outreach messages that avoided generic instead of "I hope this message finds you well." My messages opened with precise value propositions aligned to the client's industry pain points. Moreover, I used it to create mini proposals in under 10 minutes per lead. These were not generic, they were intelligent, tone-matched, and highly persuasive, because the AI adapted based on each company's needs. The next step was identifying potential clients without scrolling endlessly through job boards. I used the free tier of Apollo.io to extract targeted lists based on industry, title, and location. Then, I plugged those leads into PhantomBuster, automated the collection of their LinkedIn URLs, email addresses, and company descriptions. The power of these tools lies in data hygiene and speed. It is not just about reaching out to many people. It's about reaching the right people with relevant messaging. By the end of day 2, I had a refined list of 30 leads that matched my niche perfectly. Outreach is only half the equation. The fortune lies in the follow-up. To ensure no lead fell through the cracks, I used Notion AI to create a CRM-like dashboard, one that tracked whom I had contacted, how they responded, and when I should follow up. Each follow-up message was generated with AI, but had a uniquely human tone. The messages were courteous, solution-oriented, and aligned with the recipient's prior response. Notion also helped me auto-summarize conversations and prepare for potential client calls without rereading threads. Once a lead responded positively, the next step was to convert interest into action. I used Canva's smart templates to design branded service brochures and pricing decks. Meanwhile, ChatGPT helped generate compelling value-based service breakdowns. Rather than saying, "Here is what I do," the proposal showed, "This is how my service will solve your exact problem." This subtle difference led to 3 decision-makers signing short-term contracts with me all within a week. What makes this strategy sustainable is not the gimmick. It is the synergy between clarity, automation, and personalization. You are not spamming. You are not outsourcing your entire voice to a robot. Instead, you are using AI to do the heavy lifting, using data to prioritize your efforts, and preserving your energy for real human conversations. AI is not replacing your skill. It is augmenting your reach and sharpening your messaging. If you are tired of feast or famine freelancing and want to consistently attract and close clients, then implement even one layer of this system, and I assure you, you will see measurable results. Subscribe to this channel, Byte to Bank, for more videos where AI meets money-making strategy, without shortcuts, fluff, or hype. Let me know in the comments if you want the exact prompts and templates I used. The future of work belongs to those who leverage smart tools, not those who merely work harder.